So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Kraken to TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TradingView account. So from the left you can see cross, trend line, fib retracement, long position, brush, text icon, measure, zoom in, some locking and removing of objects. If you want to add Kraken to your specific account, you can go to some bridging gaps as it's called. So you can go to traders post, for instance, which is a way to have that trading bot platform so you can connect the two. Another way would be to go to Kraken and see this as a way to log into your account. Then you can get to security, and from that point you can just ask for that specific API key, and from that point you can add your account through there. So if you go to your profile or settings, you can try to add it through there, but the best way I suggest you do it from is to actually create that bridging or use a bridging tool to connect the two, since there isn't a direct way to connect TradingView and Kraken. So you can use uh, cross trader accounts. So by using that on both with account information from both, you can try connecting the two, but the best way would be through either Traders Post or some other background extensions that you can add. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.